Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, our channel is where we break down design. We drop tutorial every week. Every Friday, graphic design tutorial is being dropped. So as you can see on the canvas, this wonderful design I created. So today we'll be recreating this design from scratch and get your PC ready. Let's dive into it. So what you do first, go to file, new, and size I used was 3000 pixel by 2000 pixel. Create, and this is the color palette FF4. Look at it, F. Then go to solid and solid color palette. And what you do next is, in your shape tool, go to the eclipse tool, then just drag this is okay. I'll make the color palette of this one is F8D1E9. Control T and you rotate it. I'll bring it to this part. Then in your pen tool, select this curvature pen tool and just find a spot and drag. What I'll do next, Control T again, and I'll rotate it. I'll drag it. Hold your shift and drag a little bit. Bring it to the down a little bit. This was how we created the shape. And add another shape. But this time I'll give it a darker purple. Let me go and copy the color code. Color code is 110111. Now it's time for me to adjust this. Here, Control T and hold your shift and drag it. Control. Now let me go to this pen tool again and just adjust it. Let me shift. Yeah, we are cool. Now next thing, go to view. As usual guys, go to your guides. Most of you here already know this because I usually use this in 99% of my design. It helps in alignment. And click on horizontal, set this at 10% and set the other at 90%. If I just shift this, hold your control and shift, then click on the two of them. It's okay here. And I'll bring in the model. So this was the model I used. I can drop. What to do now, go to your filter, go to select subject and wait for the selection to load. And what to do next, just mask it out. You notice there are kind of white stuff on his head. To remove it, hold on your control and click on the model, then mask it. Go to filter, order and minimum. Set it to roundness and radius to 2.0. Don't forget to convert to smart object. I'll bring it down a little bit. Yeah. Next, bring in the logo. Let me just drag out this. Already I have this as an image already. I'm moving this with my color palette F8 D1 there. Text. Right, so style that speak. I actually forgot to do something, which was what I was going to do before I read the text. If you're looking for where to get your clothes, this brand Saucy Collection is actually the best clothing brand you can get clothes, and you can see their number here So what I did, I copied it because I wanted to do something with the text. Don't, if you want to do well, what I want to do now, don't just click on it, drag it, put it in a text box, and I'll just paste. Now set this to auto. Then in this size here, I will increase the size. And in this part, give it, I think I gave it a light darker tone. The color code is, just use any shade of this color. Look for, okay, use 300 beta T. I'll set this, give it a vertical bold. The font I used was a vertical, as you can see. And reduce the spacing. Use it. Let me increase drag just, and let me go and copy the, try to type that out. It will be a long process. Add the reader. I think the text was on your, I'm just going on your, okay, on the drip. Let me copy the text from Control V. On the drip. I'll reduce the triangle, Control T, and hold your shift. Reduce and I think that rectangle, I'm not getting your graphic design essential bundles. Do so, it will help boosting your design. And some effects I'll be using will be, some of the elements will be in this folder. That's if you have gotten it. Okay, then I'll just drag and drop this text, then rotate it. Let me shift bring it to the back, and I will go to your color overlay and see the color. Let me show you the color palette. Color 1F001E. It's just a darker shade of this purple, lighter shade of the full purple. Now we're almost done, guys. What I'll do, this style that speaks, I'll make it a lighter shade. Then the last, not the least, trying to remember the implementer. Take it to this. Select color range, right? Okay, ventilation to load, mask it out, over to smart object, double click. If you don't want all those stress, you already have the effect. Just hold your Alt, drag it. So you can see the color on it. Control T, moment, scale it, just like the direction. Okay, what you do, pointing at the call to action. When you done reading design, you know the next steps to do. On the drip, what that to be. The last, no, I don't think that's the last step. Next, and okay, I already inverted it. Just hold my Alt, click on the FX with my Alt and drag it. Have the effect. Ctrl T, hold your shift to make it kind of slimmer. Ctrl T, delete. Let me mask it. I think I'm seeing some edges. If you want to do that, just rewind the video backward and you see how I achieved that. Let's see. Reduce the, so Ctrl J, Ctrl T, it's here. So we are actually done with the design. Amazing design in Photoshop. But the last step, hold your Control and Shift and click on this upside and press Ctrl Shift Alt E to create a snapshot of it. Go to Smart Object, go to your filter, Ctrl Z, I there was a forgotten procedure, but I'm happy I remembered it right now. I think this light effect, I added light effect. No, I cannot actually tell which of them I added right now. Let me add this and scale it. Hold your shift. I think it was this I even used, and yes, it was this one I used. Mask it out. I want to brush some parts out, some part I don't want to see. Just brush this part and face. Yeah. I also give it a color balance because I want the face to have that purple feel. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Shadow and move the slider to purple side, but don't overdo things. Go to highlight and same thing. Look at the before. Look at the after. Before and after. You can see what color balance can do. Before color balance, after color balance. Now create a snapshot of all this layout. Hold your Control Shift and click on the top. Control Shift Alt. E to create a snapshot of it. Then convert it to smart objects. We are not going to do much in the camera raw filter. Go to filter, camera raw filter. And go to your effect, add a little bit of vignette. I think this is okay. Before and after. So this was how we created this wonderful design in Photoshop. Stay tuned for our next video, guys, and please if you have not subscribed yet, do well to subscribe, like, comment on this video and share your thoughts on this video. Also tell me one thing you have learned, and if you have any problem you're facing in your design journey, you can as well let me know. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on our next video. Peace.